We always thought that women were born with a set number of eggs that die over time. While that is true in the inner part of the ovary, a breakthrough scientific discovery found there are immature egg cells in the ovary's protective outer lining. These egg precursor cells, or egg PC cells, have the ability to mature into fresh, young, healthy eggs. Imagine the ovary as an orange. The peel is the outer ovarian cortex where the egg PC cells reside and lie dormant. At Ovarscience, we isolate these egg PC cells and use them to help treat female infertility. To understand how egg PC cell technology works, let's first talk about the standard treatment for infertility, in vitro fertilization, or IVF. IVF requires a woman to undergo hormone stimulation to allow for many eggs to be retrieved and then injected with sperm outside the body. The hope is that the eggs will fertilize and grow into embryos that can be transferred back into the woman. Unfortunately, IVF fails about 70% of the time, often because of poor egg health. The Ovarscience treatment, Augment, is specifically designed to improve egg health by using the mitochondria or energy from a woman's own egg PC cells to supplement the energy in her eggs during IVF. Egg PC cells are isolated from a sample of a woman's ovarian tissue. The mitochondria are extracted from these cells and then injected into the woman's eggs with the sperm during IVF. In the clinics currently offering the treatment, doctors have seen improved pregnancy rates and live births in poor prognosis patients. This treatment is available in select international regions outside the United States. For IVF and for Augment, an egg is needed. However, 25% of women undergoing IVF don't make eggs at all. We are developing our second treatment, Ovaprime, for these women. Essentially, Ovaprime is in vivo maturation of egg PC cells into eggs. Inside the middle of the ovary are eggs that are aging. We think this is due to their location in the highly vascular region of the ovary, where there's a good blood supply so that the cells can mature. The egg PC cells may not be exposed to these factors because they are in the protective outer lining of the ovary, where there is a poor blood supply, so the cells lie dormant. With Ovaprime, we isolate the egg PC cells from the outer ovarian cortex and place them back into the middle of the ovary where the blood supply is rich, and therefore the egg PC cells can mature into eggs during IVF. We plan to introduce this treatment to patients in at least one international region this year. IVF, Augment and Ovaprime all require hormone stimulation to make enough eggs for IVF. There are women, however, who cannot undergo hormone stimulation for a variety of reasons, including having been diagnosed with cancer. We are developing Overture, a breakthrough treatment that would not require women to take hormone injections. Overture is the maturation of egg PC cells into fresh, young, healthy eggs in vitro or outside of the body. With Overture, egg PC cells are isolated and, in a dish, matured into eggs that can be used for IVF. The woman doesn't have to take the hormone injections, and she can still have fresh, young, healthy eggs. We look forward to introducing this treatment to patients at some point in the future. Our breakthrough series of treatments with egg PC cells, Augment, Ovaprime and Overture, are being developed to help women around the world who are struggling with infertility. At Ovarscience, we're dedicated to helping couples build the families they deserve.